How many leads did you miss today simply because nobody was available to answer the call? As service companies, a lot of times you wake up realizing that people had fires or issues or need of your service while you were sleeping, while you were away, while you were on vacation, and your receptionist was either gone or was not able to catch that call. Normally, it takes about 4 hours to respond to a call like this, and by then, the customer has already moved on to one of your competitors. 27% of all inbound leads are getting unanswered. And most callers, unfortunately, will not leave a voicemail. They will not call back. They will just go down the line of businesses that has the service they need until they find one of your competitors and go with that company. By the time you find out you've missed $500 service call or $1,200 install or $3,000 repair, gone forever because nobody was there to answer the phone. Voicemail's not cutting it. Missed call lists aren't cutting it. And hiring another receptionist is not going to fix the problem, especially because receptionists don't tend to work 24 hours a day. This is why you need a voice AI like EngagePulse AI. With EngagePulse Voice AI, you're going to basically be getting instant calls answered, 24-hour coverage, AI booking, automatic SMS follow-ups, you're getting call routing, you're getting transcripts, you're getting recordings of the call. All of this is happening 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you have a company and you only have so many hours a day to work that company, you are now a 24-hour company simply because we put a receptionist in place that is going to answer every call, book every appointment, contact you if needed, send you transcripts, and you don't need to lose another deal. And here's the crazy part. You don't need a call center. You don't need to hire additional staff. And you don't need to even change your phone number. You get all of this at the fraction of what a receptionist would cost you. Because think about it. Most receptionists are going to cost you between $10, $15 an hour if you're lucky. And this service comes as low as $200 a month. Yes, a month. So if you're tired of losing money with slow follow-ups, overwhelmed staff, then go ahead and try this out. There is no contract. You can end it anytime you want. It's only $200 for your first month. We will set this up in less than 3 days for your company. And trust me, you will not end the service because it's going to not only save you money and time, but make you money in the process.